Thanks for joining. In this video, I will be showing you how to edit your homepage and change the way you want for your restaurant or your cafe or your business. Okay, so this is the homepage which we have. It doesn't have any photo, as well as we have to change the text. So let's get started. Okay, so you can see we have an option called as edit with Elementor. So let's try to edit this page with the Elementor. So this is the Elementor, which is a page builder which can be used for editing any type of page without coding. It is a free page builder which you can find in the WordPress plugin directory. Okay, so this is the home page. Okay, once the page is loaded, you can see only the home page. You don't see the header nor you can see the footer. Okay, this is the complete home page that now we will be editing. So you can see this is enjoy the food, best of food. So how to edit this? Just click on edit. So you can see these are the two sliders. This is the quality food and this is the freshly made. So let's try to edit them. See, this is the title. For example, we can write awesome restaurant. Or let's keep it my restaurant. Okay, let's make it simple. Now let's try to add a subtitle which we can add like veg, non-veg restaurant in in Mumbai. Okay, and let's add some text. We are the best non-veg restaurant owner in Mumbai. So this is done. Okay, we can add a button like view dishes, you can see, right? So that we will be changing it to the website/shop. Okay, this button will go to the shop. Now you can see slider image is provided, but we don't have any media, so let's try to add some restaurant media. You can add any photo that you have, for example your photos of restaurant or food items or anything that you want for the decoration. So let's add this. Right click, save image. Also we'll need one more. Let's take this. If you can see, this photo was 853 into 480, but if you see this, it's 550 into 367, which is a small image. So we will need a bigger image than that, because it will be looking smaller and the image may not look good for you. Okay, so we will be taking a better photo. Let's take this one. But it's taking some time. So it's completed. Let's try to save it. Okay, so it's done. Now let's go to Elementor again. Now let's try to add photo. This one will go to the first slider and the second one will go to the second slider. so it will take some time depending on your internet connection. Okay, the first photo has been added. Now let's try to add the second one. So let's update it once. Okay, the first one is done. Now let's try to add the second one. The quality food is okay. Everything is moving from the quality food. Okay, no problem. Let's try to edit this. Best ingredients and food quality. Okay, we can also add few desserts, and let's change it to our menu. Just because we are a restaurant, so we'll be adding our menu as this. Let's try to keep it exactly. Let's try to add the image. So if it's taking time, let's try to again upload it. Okay, sorry, it's done, right? Let's try to insert it the image media, and it's done. Don't forget to update it once the changes are done, just because if you don't, you may lose it. Okay, so the header is changed, the button has been added, the text has been changed. Let's go down. The food, the featured dishes of this week. Okay, it's up to you the way you want. This is the, just click on it and you will now able to change the way you want. Okay, let's add some photos here. Okay, so let's remove them. Try to add something in the gallery. Let's try to add some food items. Okay, this will be our featured food items. Awesome. So let's try this. Let's add this burger. One second, this noodles or whatever this is. Third, the chicken. And let's add this. Okay, so we have saved. Let's start to add those 4 images. Just drag and drop and they will start uploading. Alright, so you can see the 4 images have been uploaded successfully. Let's try to add them. Okay, so let's remove this. Let's insert them. So yeah, so you can see the images have been added. Okay, you can also change this button. Just click on it and then you will be able to see the order. Now we can change it like shop, or else we can, let's keep it menu and add the link of the shop. Okay, let's go down. This is Mickey Dixner. Let's try to change the section. Once you click on it, now you will be able to see a background that we can change it from here. Let's try to add this as a background. Yep, it's done. And it's easy to change. Just click on it. You will now be able to change it. This is a testimonial written by a customer, so we can change it like Shashank Fatkure. The testimonial will be like, okay, pro designer, amazing website, amazing restaurant for anyone who likes food. Tweet here. Okay, so it has been saved. Just like this, we can also add like Krishna Patkure and like pro UI designer, best restaurant with amazing food quality. Okay, both the testimonials have been added. Now let's go. So this is the menu that we will be removing for now, just because we will be adding a new menu. Just right click on it, just click on the delete, same like that. It's delete, just because we will be adding the WooCommerce. Okay, we will be removing this and we will be adding the WooCommerce menu below. All menu, let's change it. Shop. Okay, so it's the location. Yeah, so we don't need the 3. Let's make it into 1. Okay, just remove it. Awesome. We can change it like Easy Tower. Around Mumbai. Okay, so let's remove it around Mumbai. That will be great. And we can change it like the way you want. Everything will be redirected to shop. Okay, for the mobile, let me show you how to add it. Just type TEL, then add what the number is. Okay, and for this you can link your Google Maps. For example, Taj Hotel Mumbai. If I go, you will be able to see a Taj Hotel. So just click on it. Just click on it. Now you see the directions. If we take the directions, then people will be able to navigate to our restaurant easily. So just save it. And for the email also, we have a different link parameter. We have to type mail to and the email address. It will open the default email provider once anyone click on it. Okay, just let's make it Mumbai. Awesome, this is done. Let's go below. Okay, so this is the editing that we know, and this is the contact form. Okay, so this is a contact form 7. So they have used the contact form 7, so we can use any other contact form also and add the short code. The short code is a code which has the structure inside it, and there are many plugins that enable us to add shortcode to the pages. So now let's update it, and our home page is ready. Let's try to see it. Go back and try to refresh once. Okay, so this is the home page that we have made. Okay, so these are the food items with their names. The names are actually the title of the product, and these are the testimonials. Okay, this is the menu that we will be adding in the future. Okay, we have left this, but you can see this is the address, and if you click on it, it will ask us for email. If you click on it, it will ask us for phone number. See, this is how it asks, and this will redirect to the map. Okay, and this is the form, and that's it. The home page is completed. In the next video we will try to add contact us page